Hello everyone, welcome to Exams A to Z. This is Umamaheshwar. Today we are going to discuss 6th March third shift that is asked in 2019 TIER-1. Now this shift is slightly easy and there are a few questions which are little moderate. So there is no tough question I found. So let's look at the questions. If x square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0, now you can clearly say then he is asking you 16 into x to the power of 4 minus 1 by x to the power of 4. This is in the form of a minus b whole square formula, that is x minus 2 whole square is equals to 0. Therefore, I can say x is equals to 2. If I substitute in this 16 into 16 minus 1 by 16. 16 is 256 minus 1. Thus 255. Next one. A, B, C are 3 points on the circle such that the angles subtended by the chord AB and AC at the center are 80 and 120. So take AB and AC. So A, B, C. Angle subtended at the chord by these chords. One is 80, another is 120. You can take this as 80 and you can take this as 120. This is 200 means the remaining angle is 160. Now, what is the angle? Which is BAC. Angle at the center is 2 times the remaining angle. So, if it is 160, then it is half of 160, that is 80. Next, a train crosses a platform 180 meter long in 60 seconds at a speed of 72 km per hour. 72 km per hour, if you do it by 5 by 18, then it takes 20 meter per second. Time taken by the train to cross an electric pole. Electric pole means it is crossing itself. See, in order to cross 20 meters, it takes 1 second. 180 meters, it takes 9 seconds. Therefore, I can say without the platform, if it has to cross itself, 60 seconds. In order to cross only platform, it takes 9 seconds. So take out this 9 seconds. So train crosses itself in 51 seconds. If you want the length of train, then you need to multiply this 21 with that speed. Next, they have given b plus c is equals to ax, c plus a equal to by, a plus b equal to cz. Then the value of, so 1 by 9 into 1 by x plus 1. See, here we need x plus 1, y plus 1, z plus 1. So you add a both sides, then you will get a plus b plus c is equals to, if you common a here, x plus 1. So x plus 1 will be simply a b c by a. So 1 by x plus 1 will be a by a plus b plus c in the same manner. So here 1 by 9 into, first one will be a by a plus b plus c. Second one will be b by b plus a plus b plus c. Third one will be c by a plus b plus c. Then it will be a plus b plus c by a plus b plus c. So it get cancelled. So it is 1 by 9. Next, what is the smallest integer that is divisible by 3, 7 and 18? So you can say 3, 7, 18 LCM. Anyway, 3 is common. So 7 and 18 are co-prime. So you can simply multiply 7 and 18. That is 126. If A lies in the third quadrant and 20 tan A is equals to 21, then the value of sin cos only given. See, in third quadrant we know all silver teacups. In third quadrant only tan and cot will be plus and the remaining are minus. Anyway, if sin minus, cos minus and cos minus and sin minus, you can simply cancel out minus. So without minus also, if you substitute, you will get it correctly. So tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. Anyway, the given expression is a homogeneous expression. You can directly substitute 21 and 20. So sin is nothing but 21. 5 into 21 minus 2 into 20. Cos is 4 into 20 minus 5 by 7 into 21. That's 3. So you got 105 minus 40 is 65. You got 80 minus 15 again 65. So even though if I substitute minus 21, minus 20, minus 20, minus 21, it's going to be the same. So we don't care about the sign because everything, it's a homogeneous thing. So answer is 1 there. Next, he's asking you the value of this expression. Now see here, first give priority to the bracket 1. 54 minus 5 by 2 into 8 and plus 13 by 48 minus 4 by 3 to 8 minus 2. So it is 4, 20, 54 minus 20 is 34 plus 13. So you can say 48 minus 2 is 46 minus 24, 32 by 3. 3 goes up, so it becomes 47. 47 into 3, so that is 141. 46 into 3, so that's 138 minus 32. Therefore, the answer is 141 by 106. So that's a simple one. You can just go through the BODMAS rule and just substitute it. You will get it. Next, 25 liters of the mixture contain 30% of spirit and rest is water. If 5 liters of water mixed, what is the percentage of spirit in the new mixture? 25 liters of the mixture contains 30% spirit and rest is water. 5 liters of water to be mixed. Spirit is 0 in this. Therefore, do N1A1 plus N2A2. N1A1 plus N2A2 is anyway 0 by N1 plus N2, that is 30. So, the resultant mixture of the spirit is 25%. I am using the mixture formula N1A1 plus N2A2 by N1 plus N2. Next, in triangle ABC, the ratio of the angles is in proportion to 3, 5, 4, and the difference between the biggest and the smallest. The biggest and smallest anyway, the difference is 2, and we know that it is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. If 12 parts is 180, then 1 part is 15. If 1 part is 15, therefore 2 parts is nothing but 30 degrees. Therefore, the answer is 30 there. Next, the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube is equals to 5x, then the value of a plus 1 by a. If a plus 1 by a is x, then we know that a cube plus 1 by a cube is x into x square minus 3 is equals to 52. Substitute the value of x, and I want the x square to be greater than 3 because it is not negative. So you can't substitute 1, you can substitute 2, but it's very less. If you substitute 3, 9 minus 2, that is 7, it's not going to be equal. 4 if you substitute, so it is perfectly equal to 52. Therefore, the value of x is 4, which means 2 into 4 is equals to 8. By substitution, you can get it. The next, the value of 4 into, in the numerator you have a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square, that is 2 into a square plus b square, 1 square plus secant square a by 1 plus secant square a. So 1 plus secant square a, 1 plus secant square a cancels. 4 2s are 8. That's also a simple formula again. Next, the inner and outer radius of a circular track are respectively 29 and 23. The cost of leveling the track. So you need to find out the area of the ring. So in order to find out the area of a ring, it is pi capital R square minus small r square, 22 by 7. You can say capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. Capital R minus small r is 6. Plus small r will be 52. Into anyway 7, 7, 7 gets cancelled. You got 132 into 52. So it is nearly going to more than 6,000 and the unit digit is 4. You can multiply and see. There are two numbers which unit digit with 4. But you can go with 6,000 because it is not going to be 3,000 something. It's going to be 6,000. That's a common sense that you can answer it. Next. If a is greater than 0, b is less than 45. Cos of a plus b is given and sin of a minus b is given and tan 2a. So first draw the triangle here. This is 24, 25, this is a plus b, and this becomes 7 because we know the triplet. Here this is sines are 15, then 17, then so 8, 15, 17. From both of them I am finding tan of a plus b. That is 7 by 24. Tan of a minus b. That is 15 by 8. So I am writing tan 2a as tan 2a, you can write it as tan of a plus b minus, plus a minus b. So I am using tan A plus tan B, like tan of A plus B, that is 7 by 24 plus 15 by 8 by 1 minus tan A tan B, that is tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B, that is 7 by 24 to 15 by 8. Cancel it, 3 5s are 3 8s are. Then you have, take the LCM 24. So it is 7 plus 15 into 3, 45. So it's going to become 52 by 8 into 8, 64. 64 minus 35, 29. So 29 by 64. So simplify it now. I can write as 52 by 24 into 64, 29. 8 3s are 8 8s are. This is 416. 29 into 3 is 87. So just a simplification, and you should know how to write tan 2a. So that is tan of a plus b plus tan of a plus b plus a minus b. The next. The sum of squares of three natural numbers is 1, 0, 2, 9, and they are in the proportion 1, 2, 4. So I can write as 1x, 2x, 4x. The difference between the greatest and the smallest, you need to find out 3x. So I can say 1x square plus 4x square plus 16x square is equals to 1029. So 21x square is equals to 1029. Cancel it in 7 table, 7 3s. I can say 7 1 4 7. Therefore x square is equals to 49, x is equals to 7. We need to find out 3x, that's 21. So simple calculation. So if you are good at calculation, you can easily do that. The next one. An article was sold at a gain of 16%. Had it been sold for 36 more, you would have gained 20%, which means see how much extra you're getting. 4% extra, how much is the value? 36. 1% is 9. Therefore, 100% is going to be 900 rupees. Next. Two circles of radii 8 centimeter and 16 centimeter touch each other externally. The length of the direct common tangent. The length of direct common tangent is equals to, directly given by the formula, 4 r under root of 4 r1 r2. So I can say it is 4 into 6 into 8. That's 4 into 48, 192. So we know root of 192 is greater than 169, and it is greater than 196. Therefore it is in between 13 and 14. The only value in the option which is in between 13 and 14 is 13.86. You don't need to find out the exact root of 192. It's the easiest way to find it out. Next, in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and AD is equals to, straight away one again, ABC, DE is parallel. This is A plus 4. AE is 2A plus 3, EC is 7A. So I can simply say, you can say AD by DB also. A by A plus 4 is equals to 2A plus 3 by 7A. So I can say 7A square is equals to 2A square plus 3A plus 8A plus 12. So I can say 5A square minus 11A minus 12 is equals to 0. You can say 5a square, this is 60, 5. So 15 4s are also 60, so you can write it as minus 5a plus 4a minus 12 is equals to 0. You can clearly see 5a you can common, then a minus 3 plus 4 you can common, a minus 3 is equals to 0. So you can say a minus 3 into 5a plus 4 is equals to 0. A is equals to 3 and a is equals to minus 4 by 5. Anyway, it is a length, so you cannot accept minus 4 by 5. Therefore, the answer is 3 here. The average of 60 student results is 68. So 60 students is 38. Average of 22, first 22 is 36. Last 32 is 32. Then the average of the remaining members is actually 6 members. Let the average be x. Now 38 is the actual average, so I am finding the difference and I am multiplying it with the respective frequency. So the difference is minus 2 into 22. The difference is minus 6 and into 32. the difference is x minus 38 because x is greater than that into 6. So if I equate it, 6 into x minus 38 is equals to, you will get 6 into 32 plus 2 into 22. Common 4 from this. So 8 here, 8 into 6, 48, and it is 11. So therefore it must be 59 is equals to 6 into x minus 38. Cancel it in 2 2s are 2 3s are. X minus 38 is equals to 118 by 3. So 118 by 3, 3 3s are, then 3 9s are 0.33. Therefore x is equals to 39 plus 38 is 77.33. You can also do it by using the sum 22 into 36, 32 into 32 and 60 into 38. Like that also you can do it and you can find out it. A, B and C can individually complete a task in 20 days. B can do it in 16 days. C can do it in 30 days. So the LCM of 20, 16 and 30 is, you can say, 240. So that takes a bit time, but you can find it out. LCM is 240. So therefore, 1 day work of A is 12. This is 15. Now this one is 8. Now A and B started working on a task and they worked for 4 days. So 4 days A and B, that is 4 into 27. Now C only works. Let it take T days in order to complete 240. If I common 4 from this, 8T is equals to, if I common 4, 60 minus 27, 33. 1s are, 2s are. Therefore T is equals to 33 by 2 days. That is 16 1 by 2 days. The rate of simple interest on a sum of money is 5% for the first 4 years. For the first 4 years, it is 5%, and 8% for the next 3 years. Next 3 years, it is 8%, and 10% for the period beyond 7 years. So beyond 7 years, whatever you take, it is 10%, but we don't know how many years we have to take. So he is asking you if the simple interest occurred by the sum over period of 10 years. 10 years means already 7 years is gone, so remaining is 3 years. Now calculate the interest. First 4 years it is 20, then after 24, then after it is 30. Put together it is 74%, and the interest occurred is 185 and 0. So cancel it in 74 means it is 37 twos. So 185 is 37 fives. You can find out the common factor by looking at it. Therefore 37 twos are 37 50s. If 2% is 50, then 1% is 25. Therefore the sum 100%, that is 2,500. The next one. A shopkeeper fixes the price of an article in such a way that after allowing 32% discount, he wants a gain of 14%. If the marked price is 342, the same formula you apply. Marked price by cost price is equals to 100 plus profit. That is 114 by 100 minus discount, that is 68. 114 into 3 is 342. Therefore 68 into 3, 24. So therefore 204. 18 plus 2 is 20. Now the next one. The following table gives the details of 5 commodities A, B, C, D, E with quantity required and their cost for the family in a month. So quantity required and their cost also given. Study the table and answer the question. And quantity required for every month is given for A, B, C, D, E, and they have also given the values and the month. The amount spent on commodities B and C in the year 2019 as compared to the amount spent extra on commodities B and C in the year 2009 as compared to 2006. So see the prices first. B and C is asking you, B and C. Prices is 10 rupees extra. This is 5 rupees extra. But how many kgs you purchasing? 20 and 12. So this is 200 rupees you are paying extra. 60 rupees you are paying extra. That is 260 rupees you are paying extra. So don't find out the total amount in that. Find the difference in the prices and see how much you are paying extra. That will be easy. The next one. The percentage of increase in the rate of commodity D from 2006 to 2016 to 2019 in D. So in D it is 75, it became 85. 75 became 85 means increase of 10. by 75 into 100. I can say 25 3s are 25 4s are. 40 by 3 is 13.33% or 13 1 by 3%. Next, the total amount spent on 5 commodities by the family in the year 2009. So 2019, A is 15 kgs, 80 rupees. So I would say it is 1200. 20 kgs, 60 rupees, again 1200. 12 kgs, 40 rupees, it is simply 480. 40, 85, that is 3400. Now again, 872, 8 into 72 is 576. The unit digit you can clearly say it is 6. There is only one option with 6, that is 6856. So without any doubt you can go for 6856, or else you can combine and see. The next, the ratio of the total amount spent on A and D commodities in the year 2009. So we know already A is 1200, and D also we know, just now we found it is 3400. Therefore 12 is to 34, cancel it in 2 table, that is 6 is to 17. So that's all it is. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe and share our videos.